to MEK Salek. Shout out to MEK. Shout out to MEK. To MEK Salek. We are within.
This was fire,
It's very creative.
This was very fire.
I feel like abantu xa come up beka pick up bane ideas enzwembu as creative. Cause usalambile uactive yalo beyifunayo. But ingathi uhluthi ngone.
No. Play it no.
Bitches. So time to shine. Yeah, come on, shit. Okay, namhlanje City Italians. Izobandle. How many people do we have?
We have everyone is here.
Okay, you should get their names. Siyaqala ke ngoku yabonga sigena emxholweni. We don't have time to wait. Okay, masibizeni ngo. Hayi siyabiza ngo.
Kind of a play. Kind of a beast.
Kind of a beast.
Number 1. Kind of a pizza. You. What? Now we mean business.
Business.
My brother,
bro. Oh, you speaking English? Oh. Eksema kahlala besiphakathini mshito. Bitches dlala ngapha.
Okay.
Tanumsese. Okrenta.
So, buti kunjani?
I'm the crane man. So like nje brief summary ba kusengubani. Bona.
Name's kind of a beast.
Asondela kancane nabo bakuva ba my name is kind of the beast. So yika tayari. Sinawo namanzi apho bona.
Umeka ngamandla, bro.
Ushaya ngamanzi anything.
Let me
Hydrate. Yes.
Abo wathi bacompare ngevolume yakho neleg.
Yeah?
I leg.
Why is it delayed as a comments?
Maybe.
Alright, chat. Listen, the name's kind of a beast. I'm all the way from Inyanga 7750. Whatever's about to happen is about to get crazy.
What's inyanga? Usuke nyango?
Yeah.
Shout out.
That's fine, bro.
Uzewedwa?
I'm not choose one.
Ebusuku azuzibakho iupa zoyinyanga ebusuku zothini.
Awufandi.
Yeah?
Yeah. Khona choose wabuhlala nansi iGalileo.
Phi?
Galileo.
Kuba
Lapha eBhela naqa just that side.
Oh, kind of a beast. Nithi ubani yamvu kind of a beast. Yenzele ninga bona bangaphoswa ilandu.
So why did you name yourself kind of a beast?
Well, I mean, it's like there's this wongumdu beast, either little beast or any.
I've never had someone named Little Beast.
I'm just saying, but like, come on, you
Guys,
are
be creative. Little Beast.
You can understand?
Yeah,
So
okay.
I was like, everybody says, but if I spit, you know, it resembles the
beast.
the aura of beast.
The fire
But
of the
unfunu bangu beast because that means yeah.
Okay.
So let me just add something to it.
Yeah.
So kind of a beast is the one.
Alright.
So uqale nini uzosenzela ntoni ntayami?
I'm okay. Freestyle.
Any beat.
Yeah, let's go.
Ba, ay na ora de.
Uhlala ngapha.
Big corner.
Dala.
I like that.
The big one.
Yeah, corner.
Sondela by my kid.
Let's go.
Ay sugile. Ba.
Hey, what the hell going on, Bezo? I'm about to kill. I'm about to keep it real. I'm about to not go drip and not go stip and keep it still. Everybody gon' shake it, going crazy off this lil. Coming out from Mpezo, say Abulala Manu Dalil. Tryna put me behind bars, now you ain't never complete that skill. If I ever gon' drop, you know I'm drop, it's probably drill. My niggas they came in the studio, you know that we killing. I'm about to go big, I'm about to go slick. Hey, I'm about to go chill, I'm changing this flow. Every time I was a kid, I used to be talking a lot of the hoes. Had to go stand on the business, and now I'm trying to get to get me a four. Maybe I'm switching the flow, maybe I'm spitting, and maybe I'm slipping, but I ain't never gonna not be a goat, my nigga. Understand this, I be chilling and I'm handling business. Niggas coming and they trying to get this, but I ain't never gonna understand it. Understand it, won't understand it. You gon' sit on me and I'm gonna sit on that. I'm trying to stand on this business, nigga trying to talk about me, they ain't never that, nigga. I'm not done, I'm not think we're finished. Are we all finished?
Nah, kalo intro le. Yabo. Wena uyivukhupha zonke powers zakho ngoku.
Relax, beast.
Relax, abhekela.
Yeah. That's fire, bro.
Buyela.
Abuyela ngaba. Ekaka inswembu.
No, that's fire. That's fire.
Damn.
They don't call you beast for
They
nothing.
don't call you
Beast.
Damn. I never way. Introduction yakho sifumene ngo. Bitches, let's get another one. Okay. Roman, go and late ngani.
Ngozama le hayi transport. Inkosi yami yakundixolela.
So ngas introduce apha and then uxela bawo namhlanje siphathele ndona.
Okay, uzilimola Kanyamba from the Eastern Cape. Dilapha ekhaya elitsha ke ngoku abanye abantu bayandazi ke ku Facebook. Bayandazi abanye ku TikTok. Ndimbongi. Ayirap le mbongi iphambene. Ndiyabetha akaphela ke imbongi but unginika ibeat ihla phezukwayo ayike nobe eqonda
Any beat.
any beat andiphethanga beat bendiyazi basoze ungabi nayo beat onondinika yona oyandimamela noyiqonda
Ebole uwe le. Le uwe le.
uyakwazi udlula xa ndishilo kwa undinika
Awungadlula.
ndikholwa ligugu okay
Ceke.
kanti ngibhum step buti iyabona yaxhuma lena ngoba andifuna uparticipate inkosi
Hayi ndisendelwe isbeat nami. Kodwa ikhona i1 beniqonda ngiyakho apha.
Utheni imkhethisa yena abantu bakhe?
Kaloku istyle zakho Khulman.
That's unfair.
bona
Abanye abakhethi bavele
Abanye abakhethi bazazi
mandibonge the best beat sekuxhuma
Ndifuna ibeat eyi1.
kokuxhuma mosuku
I-unfair.
It's unfair.
Abanye abakhethi.
But treat the end one more than
Hayi ke batsho.
ndingaya nakapela otherwise I don't need beat once awunikwe beat ezinje
Okay, phofu kuba ilanduka ngoku yabo. Isistatus.
Yeah.
Into ezika sine round ezi3 ne.
Nkosi bendifuna noyifunto lo
Yeah, yabo. Le round yokuqala. Nje introduction ba ungubani ubethe lo uze ngayo. Then kwesibini competition yaqala ke. Sifaka ni2
okay
kanje.
Nkosi.
Omnye nomnye kanje.
okay
Yabo.
so lolu izembe lapha
Izembe lakho lolole.
kakuhle
Uze nawo ay
so ngalomzuzu uqhubeka ntoni ngoku
nje intro isida uyabetha ngesixhosa ngebeat ukwenza njani xhumeke ku
izinto zaqhabalaka umlinganiselo ngowesithathu icala liyacaca abantu abadala bebefuna uzalwa kuqala thabatha isikhala zohlaba sithatha amanyathelo ngoku kulungele umsebenzi ubuvila bume ngenyawo isimnyama sihleli phansi lenkanyamba yikuphi xakaxa soze siniyeke amathumbu atsaleke zinhlungu amatheketheke siyazizisa chiza lezifo kumculo lidliso siyakuvela sesiyimpiliso khoboka siyakhulula daka siyonyula xoba siyahlangula siyohlula ngababuza amahlande enyuka siwaveze kwintaba zeyuphutha babuyile ababhali bephethe amasiba njengezikhali Yince emhlabi sithandazela imibongo ezaniphilisa ngaphakathi ukuhlala kuhlanga bayashwantshwatha bayateketa abantwana nene le idinga isikhalo sencamazana watyibeka ngolohlobo umbhali enyembezana lo mbhali wayenyembezana sisaqalisa bro
Saqalisa
Bezibhasi.
Kodwa next time sizakufakela ibeat.
Yeah webhuti manje ndiyakucela ndifuna undinike ibeat strong ubhuti
Awamkelekile.
Oh, Nkosi yami. Ndivuya nokubona oku manje. Hayi Nkosi, hayi Nkosi, hayi Nkosi awusenzisi.
Bulela ithiba.
Bulela kakhulu.
Hayi fine. Bhala wesibini
Alibhalile ba.
Ana kanjani? Mbhalile wesibini?
Yeah.
Okay, masifumane wami.
Okay.
Sure, Rodman yami.
Bulela kakhulu.
Wena uncane ibhaz, uzoshisa based on ibhaz uzoshisa based on.
Hi bro, man, I like flow. Just the vibe.
Vibes, of all the metaphors nendo.
Yeah. In metaphors. What's up, brother?
Kusepula.
Ukraine.
Back up there.
Oh, wait.
What?
Banka malaga.
They can flat those banks.
Those banks.
Those banks.
Those.
Those rappers is rich man.
Drip is on fleek.
Timbaland.
No. Image is on point, bro.
Yeah.
That's
What's the trip check?
Come on the trip check.
Superstar quality right here.
Drip check.
Bro.
Sniper pop.
Basic bars.
Adidas.
Yeah.
Red bed, the way. Red bed. A young one.
I say rich later. Established.
So khawusixelele ngubani uzosenzela lona namhlanje.
Dozy Banks.
Shut up.
Everywhere. Also known as Da Absa. Adam ke kwabanye because into yokuqala. Nzo rapper da because that's all I do, man. No.
Yeah, that's what I like around that act themselves, bro.
Show them, Adam, show them.
Jonga ke ne. Into ezokwenzeka nje young intro asikayiqala competition nje introduction ngita absa bethe nje few bars. Second round nidibana nethuli nibala ngenhloko mntana ngenye. Andichange, sachinja kwa second.
Yeah, change our second.
Uthi wena like kuphandle.
Chilo kijakhala la ku rap. Nansi mic. Ba. Beke flat. Nansi mic sondele makini. Ungakhali class zama.
Sincane. Yavakala maswe.
MB_RG9 just resubbed for 2 months.
Mamel, Chanut. Yeah.
See?
Jong, Chanut. Yeah. I say knock, crash, who's there? Hand of God is a pull umnyango. Malume emotion, xoxa qetha phekasa majito kabamba ucwanga. Wathi starile waiter, but I saw that your favorite rap na igcwele ngama ngichasi ora. But I saw ngomalume mnatana lo after 9 from making to Joseph to trying to cape to flat. Nandega flat. I don't really play games. Magcira ayazi but
Yo, that's fine. Beke flat.
Doesn't that chopper? Cause I postpone. Maybe next year. So I'm a part of my G. Pretty.
Beke flat.
There you go. Sam.
Okay, Mr.
Do that.
Eh?
Declare.
Okay, now breathe in, breathe out, man. Bon. So man.
Have a package of one.
Oh, umsudu. Ke ngokele ngawufela yena. P.
Watch F3. Exe.
Kuzena best up.
Mono Thursday. Ntwana rona give Kings Kele. Exe. Ngambeki phansi ni. Ipiano pura man.
Oh, betil piano.
Yeah,
So,
good, man.
qala nini betil piano?
Ngalo 2021 mangiqala ngifika pick up.
Yo, that's dope. How has it been?
It's difficult, dog, because you know when it comes to Cape Town, phethwe igqum, sisiphaza, so 14 abantu abenza ipiano brass khamekile.
Eish.
But yeah, so izama dog.
Yeah.
So I'm ngandlela
And me, I don't talk a lot.
Masiye.
I'm not.
Can't wait. Let's get it.
I nami bona baselekile. Ningamshinci.
Ningalingeni ngithini once around.
Sibika besiphakathini.
Abazinga kona ishushu kanje.
Go. Sondela hlala. Yebo. Yeah, hey. You never know. Go. Hey. Ay.
Will I be myself? Yo.
Sondela Mikey.
Purchase your track today.
Chiquinya. Asa. Shugumisa we. Asa. Beke flat. Ayuskele mu beke flat.
Purchase your track today.
Hangi beke flat. Inkosi beke flat.
Ay, okay.
Keep on my camera running shoot. Is it a zangvele zimbuke? Msonke konza ngikuse. Mina mangiqoka ningikuse. Wena ungiphuzisa kabuhlungu. Wena ungiphuzisa kabuhlungu. Ngiphuza utshwala bami kabuhlungu. Wena ungiphuzisa kabuhlungu. Osh. Sekele. Vula. Keep on my camera running shoot. Is it a zangvele zimbuke? Msonke konza ngikuse. Mina mangiqoka ningikuse. Ibale. That's fire.
Siyaqala basehleka.
Uvalo.
Suara. Yo, Jongchat.
Ndinqelile ngoku. Hey, amakamera engisuthi.
Ngintana nonke guys yini.
Yebo ku round 2 ke bethana inhloko nomnye umuntu.
Musikole. Uyamazi ubhajile lona uheader straight inkosi. Buda. Afethu nibaselekile nini cha.
That's maximum order.
Yekile mashayi.
Bonify emojis Pushai pande.
Ipoti bilile hayi balo bras actually azinto dibaselekile nini nami.
Besi happy.
Mr. Tony G. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm all great. Especially
Semamela ke tayamne. Ase unyusi voice kancane ngabokhoza kuse.
okay.
Yeah, bona.
Ngabe nonchalant kakhulu.
Abuza pha ku chat ka uthele
Leave mo. Excess salute otherwise.
Buleka trust emakhaya.
Feeling good and great and special as usual. You know, because we are all the special keys.
Cela ubabonise la tattoo yakho yaxoxisayo.
The third real good but
Yeah, cause ukhayiveza pha ku chat then usixelele ba what inspired you.
What inspired? I mean, I'm Illuminati. I'm art. Art, man. I'm not as the usual.
Fire! Randa babo fire!
High fire for real.
Jay-Z.
Kwakutheni jo uxoxe Illuminati?
I'm saying, like, I'm not for the basics. I don't believe in norms. I do whatever that I feel like doing with my life. Like, and also everything that I do is intentional. And some secrets are worth dying or sacrificing for. So, it's easy, you know, like, you don't have to explain for people. You just have to go your own path. Because the path is a little different.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so I'm walking my own path with my own revelation. Like, I'm saying beyond. I've already said, like, where I'm going.
Ted Ivy League.
Yeah.
Fire.
Whoa. So, in rumors closet you sold your soul uthini goes?
They've been like saying that. Like, I sold your soul and you are broke, shit like that. I mean, I'm in my journey. But I know what I'm doing. It's like, it's that's the only nigga to sell his soul and like stay broke like for years,
Do you feel scammed?
Who? Me? About what?
Like ushunji bahlambi.
Hell no, I'm not scared. I told you, like, I'm living my life with my own chains. Like, it's not even like, but say I sold myself to somebody. Like, everything that I do is intentional, and everything that I do it for me and my family, of course, my daughter.
Daughter. Dope, bro. How old is your kid?
3 years now.
That's why. You still cool with the baby mom?
Yeah, I know. That's what.
So ubhaliwe pha bawuzocula namhlanje.
Yeah, I can sing. If I'm singing, I'm going a cappella, like.
But second round you have to cause about competition.
I know.
This is like the introduction, don't born.
Okay.
Yeah, but hlala apha and then sing ungakhabi iway pha.
Okay, I'm singing.
Yeah.
I can sing whatever song, just sing.
Yeah,
sing,
so let it
just
come
sing.
out.
Okay. I can sing a gospel song, but I can sing mine too.
Sing gospel.
Okay, let's start with mine. Like, it's a gospel song, but it's dropping like in future.
Alright.
Okay, so this song ihamba kanje. Kobubunzima ndisemnyango mna ngisemnyango kobubunzima ngisemnyango ngisemnyango kuba ayibobukabani and futhi ndizophuma
Kuba ngihlanzwe ngegazi. Come on,
It's the chat that is not even. Guys, you're wrong on it. No, it chat.
No, guys. That's a young.
Guys, no, I was elevating.
Come on.
Chat, you're wrong on it.
Why, Nick?
But he wouldn't mic. That's the thing.
Put your mic.
No, guys. Stop. I need fire emojis. Fire emojis. Fire emojis.
La switch.
Okay, let's switch.
Unexpected.
Otherwise, the lyrics are very touching.
Yeah,
The lyrics
it's
are
something
very
that I'm working on. But
Yeah,
I
yeah,
need to
yeah.
drop it like in years.
So, this is our
round 2.
round 2.
No worries. Shout out.
We think back on the stage name?
Tony G.
Tony G.
Which is for Bani. Hey, what's up? Keep us savage.
What's up, my G? Ah, wait.
Grand. Kasixelela uba ngubani ithini hobby zakho.
What inspired the league?
Okay, mna ngimoselate man. Hobbies zami, hobbies zami khona lingako bra. Uvuka qha ngitshela abantu.
Mina ngapi? Mina ngapi? Hey.
Ngitshela abantu.
Has gifted 1 subs to viewers.
Salute.
Fire.
Uthini bebe? Tshela abantu.
Kanje.
Bani rapper kwayitshela ku-industry.
Boys, nins.
Hayi ngidini, kwedini.
Isibuko.
Biza two, kabiza two.
Bra. Akazuyaza lo ngoba ngandimtshela.
Ubrado.
No.
No, it happens to everyone.
Oh,
Amelanga uyazi. It's not meant for you ba uyazi. Wena into mele uyazi ukuba intombi.
Chat, let me get this straight. Mamela. Sorry, bro. Cut. Umjita came to your house. Was a stream sub. Uzo audition a talent show yakho. On top of that, that's crazy. Shout out for that. Is that a sub?
Like or just subscribe.
So it's a year great.
Zile manindwana. Bro, stop ngaka. Sibeke plate.
Inspired kama lam.
Kusta just subscribe.
Akho ndingako bra.
No, for it, sorry, bra. For it, umkela manje.
Hande dlala bra.
Okay, yeah.
Relax ngala yapha.
Ubathele thule.
Dlala bra.
Abuzohamba.
Hayibo.
In fact, akho sendlini egama lakho balaqala njani kwathini nansi.
Hayibo. Babo. Bra uthenza sikhethela nje.
Hayi. First round.
Ke shona jonga phi bra?
Rap mic.
Okay.
Chogapi. Choga to the future.
Yo, say, hey, they never thought in the figure Glen Dow. I'm with Chris Brown, but look at me now. Kimo play rapper kukhala nelau. Kimo is king, but Charlie is crown. You don't know tangena, them niggas they bow. I'm at the top, back then I was down. Tati Teriako, that's what I'm about. Kopandinga, I'm knocking you out. I'm go the rule, but bravo to me. Ukuz and Belapa, I did what I did. My haters confused, they cannot believe. How is this nigga keep taking the win? Diyikumkani and surely I lead. Kwakdala and Chilo in Tata Kaning. It's in my veins, it's in my genes. What in? I need no longer to. Keep up the pressure, just record my stews. Never up the pressure, don't get no excuse. Ten about teta, I'm on teta, keep up the pressure, let's get long. Sip up the pressure, young and I'm headed the pressure, just let it up. You chill it up, and goes be cheese. Big toss, winding up.
Bege plate.
Sikulindele ku-second round.
Second round.
So you embole way.
We prospect for the second round.
So you embole set bra as by Philippi. Because in black Philippi.
Yeah, please.
So you embole way.
Ngizawuthina Philip.
So you ngoma nje.
Ingathi ndzwembe mntwana engane ngincane.
Even like kumele le beat straight up.
Sheke bani ngofuna ngapi 45 baby anathi singa.
Hayi nipeyile le. Shut up with that.
2 subs to viewers.
Ufana kamasama i-rap i-poet isinga i-rap.
Sifaka usiphumulo, masiphumulo.
Andimazi poet khona.
Hayi ta, one thing man ukuncome ngayo room yakhe yachisa.
Yazi ivuliwe kodwa wena.
Ivuliwe first year.
But bengicinga ifan try izongcola.
Yeah, no stress, don't worry.
Wah,
My G.
Grand. Kwazi bunda bago baba.
Hayi sindikren.
Grand.
Umthetho wami.
Oh, nalapho boys ka Questa. Come music boys.
Liger has gifted 1 sub to viewers.
Yeah, I'm proud buza yesterday with 21.
Sibanga bi.
Googlisha easy shit.
I'm futhi but ngicela bekene.
Hlala can. Wah. So wenza ndoni like nje bona life ina.
And ngibonga poetry.
Oh.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll pay you.
Shasha.
Gifted 1 sub to viewers.
So bethi poem wena like yabonga. Jonga ke into yenzeka utaya yami yabo. First round yasicela back sending bani. Usibethele introduction nje noba 15 lines.
Sibulise izinto wathi.
Second round ke ulapho uzogilana nenye imbungi kanje.
Okay.
Competition yaqala ko akusahlekwa nawe. Ebonje mehleka ngo sahlek nawe xa ufuna ubuya. Okay, ufuna leta yami. Hlala apha tayami. Hlala. Wa. Cela sibe emotional.
Viewers.
Cela sibe emotional vipi? Cheers. Sondele my kingdom. Makhaya.
Ya unikalizayo. Ngolunye usuku kuyokukhanya. Ngomnye umhlamazulu ayozongoma ndizulazule. Ngenye imini ingomso liyoqhakaza ukwinkwenkwezi yesibhakabhakeni ke kuphele ixesha lokuhlafuna inkobe nokutyintya bontyi. Ngenye imini inkosi izovuma kucwebezele nam ndikukucwezela amachibi ukuzingelana namachiza ukubhacisa indlala xebe ndidikhala liyophenduka intlaka kudakumba kuphenduka imincili imvula ezanayo namhlanje zizo eziyondizuzisa mhla umzobo wendlalana kujacuzela ziphenduka izolo nezulu lizole amabandla onke yazole. Ngolunye usuku isichitho indasifakeleyo siyochiza sichichize uchithakela kubachithi suku lwanamhla liyobe liyimbali suku lwalamhla liyobe lingundingaye endingakukubhulusha ichize lokubhacisa indlala chiza elo elikucwezilisa indlala kunam ndizotsho ndiyeke ukuchwechwachwechwa ecaleni kwamachibi ndizikisa ingcinga ngokucinga ukhangelana nechize lokubhacisa indlala ngolunye usuku icham liyobe lichonge indyebo amathumba achananisa eklinika incindi encangathe bubufa yobepholile amapholi eziqhamo abephephezela ngomoya kwasamstia. Ndiyahoboloza siyobe sam siso siyobulusa mobe ngolunye usuku esamisobe sisoqobhoza imbobo kwiintaba ezulusingasinga namhla ezintaba zendlala sendibana ukusinga uqwalasela ubude bazo ngolwasuku ndabe ndizizele ngomva ndisingisele phambili ndizitshela amaqhosha ebhatyam kuxhelexukwana ngolwam usapho uxam ebana uxalanaze emaxhantini ukuzoxala kuqala ngamaxhego ezinyanya izithunywa zekhaya zibana ukuthunywa-thunywa ziqulunqeke zosapho. Sapho lwam lingomso lam lusapho lwam ntetho ethelo namhlanje sithi ntingantakantini zizo ziyonentingisa ngaphandle kwamathandabuzo nontingela esibhakabhakeni uyoba ngomnye weenkwenkwezi eziqhakazisayo oniphakela lo mphako ngusiphamula embongi yokuxhuma lokukhala ixilongo bekhala bakhalayo kanti eqhama amakhwane.
Hayi, step innovation. Semoyeni.
Wa. Ngobetha ngabacici. Khonga ndacebisa ndachekwa. Ndixosha.
Ichithe sami sezithini? Yo, hayi imali ya.
Very good, man. That's so good. I'm so proud of you.
That's fire, bro. That's really dope, dog.
Ngathanda ukhabe ngawonke ke izikhali zakho xhobenezo khona round waza.
Nazi under list.
Better ndacinga udani. Lahle high school.
Ndacingisisa. Bengacinganga.
45 baby in a building. Shout out 45 baby in a
Hey,
building.
shot.
Yeah.
I'll 45 is
Man, go this year this time, guys.
Umzulu. Ungikhosi.
Ja, Nkosi.
Ungwani?
Wala Cap.
P?
Cap.
Oh, siyibamba
Suka
phi?
fair, suka Gansbaai next week ngonas 7 to 20.
Uyibamba apha.
Abangibamba lapha eDelft.
So wena tayami like usiphetele ndoni ithini line wakho?
Example ndiya rapper and stuff, you know. Rapper, yeah. Like and the rap is serious, man. You know, like Totina. Like ndiyadlalisa serious like andi.
Wenzela xa ebhayiza phakathi no abathathi serious.
Qale ninodlala.
Ngadi 28.
Unangaphi?
22.
Hayi.
Kobala wena ngabo umjita ngo-2008.
Uwofundileyo. Wena ngaphi?
Ana 11.
Yabona maths.
Awuzila ukho serious kodwa uqala ngo-208. Okudlala.
Like mandithi ndarapper yabo but because serious big rap. But ndarapper.
Oh,
Awuyithathi serious as a
And it's not like the serious yabo.
Uyarapper
but
akafuna ukwenza
serious.
moves.
Ngiyabona wena.
Uzipholele umuntu okwazi urap.
Umuntu okwaziyo urap
Because
nje.
angikhumbuli ngifundiswa ngibona. Leli ingqale 28.
Awumamela bani?
Kuna 3.
Yeah. Ngibani.
2008 wamamela ba.
Angikwazi ukudlala ngepende. Ain't a 4 ikalu rap.
And then ngo 28 ngiyan serious rapper.
Utho bani baqala 28?
Sentsho ndikhumbula kahle man.
Okay. Uthe ngibangana igama lami?
Ngula wethu ngu45 baby Caro in it.
Okay. Hlala.
Siye 45 baby.
Njalo.
One beat everyone.
One seat.
Sondela ba. Sondela ba.
Qali mamele. Like geometry. One beat.
Sonde.
Hey, they be thinking I'm using narcotics. Hey, now they call the cops upon me. I pull the trigger for one of my homies, even though I'm not really an OG. Hey, I look like a tourist attraction. Cause they see that my Jewish is on flick, smoking, hiding out like a zombie. I told you I'm the safety precaution. Look at these niggas, they can let it know me. Cause they know that I'm broke, but they don't know I'm still on the road. If I'm gonna continue, I'm still gonna road. I will never kill myself by the road. Niggas be capping cause I'm about to blow. But
So ara
like the serious is beating this fucker, like I said.
You said you pull the trigger on your home.
Nah, like I pull the trigger for one of my homies. I know I'm not going to.
Badakho abanje.
Ngikhumbula.
So you don't
PR train. PR train.
Uyadubula nya. Okanye it's just nje for.
Like I said, I'm Koseraza.
So ndibuza dipart yokudubula. Dubula nya.
Ngikhumbula.
So that siyazi basi move kanjani.
Like oh,
you're very far up. If you are dubula. Swim.
So ara. First round.
Second round. Like yima yabona. Kuze nizapha nda requestile, ngicela request ama beats they want. Like I said.
No, yes.
Yes, request ngayo.
Second round xa phina ubuya uzobuya nengitsotsi ngibane ngendlovu.
So request beat.
So request beat.
Salute. Kodwa mina tayami ndiqhelile wena. It's either you OG or ndakhe ndakubona before.
Yeah, I couldn't bother for sure. I'm not sure about the OG and go.
Always pop.
Ndakhe ndakubona
Status is OG was nigga bathini bakuthini, you know.
So ke tayami yanansi chat yabo nansi camera. So ungatsho tayami bangekuse ungibani like usiphathele ndoni namhlanje.
Okay, so igama nganathi Swaphi. Ayijani apha kuCendane. Up in Cape Town, based at Danun. But I currently reside in Parklands. I've heard the story about that before, but no, I like El Nino though in terms of music, but nah, I never saw it until about yeah, but it's the false mean there's a multi-banis, but that's just connect.
Oh, asiniva.
Connected.
El Nino.
Nithiyani kwazi ubhala ni.
Awukwazi.
Yabo akaveli.
Bese
artist.
Utheni usearch Google ngamsearch ku YouTube. Oh, funa ipicture yakhe.
A beach. The best picture is like
Uye maloka.
Buba yellow, nitalele galo yellow. That's what I'm saying. We're gonna the first picture same. Crazy man. Ekse, dalini ever lethu mhlawumbe manje mama wathethe inyani. So ke time like usenzela ndona mhlawumbe. So Cula bra, I'm a vocalist. Yeah, I've got music out. You can check out maybe Kuzubamnani, one of my first music videos that was featured on Vivo. It's also on Channel O. So It's reach, man. No, not reach, man. Yeah,
But you going down.
yeah. Kaufage Diamond. Let me type it.
Diamond.
Yeah. Let me type it.
Para Diamond.
Awungahlala Diamond sesisaka uzositulo ngo.
Okay.
Instrumental.
I went
Yeah, bro, the chance yami njani. Lesokola mani na pick up.
Hayi. Okay, let's see. Yeah.
Ngaba uyibhedi.
Nah, it's not even going to be a Rihanna thing. I'm actually gonna put in vocals, guy. I'm so I'm gonna start the cover.
Rock magic.
Okay.
You know I get so excited for singers.
Do I have the whole time of the song? Because I switch it. I don't. Okay, cool. Indingawe. Amaphupha feseka kwavele kwalunga yonke into ndancedwa yinkolo nensebenzo noguqa ngejolo kubawo hayi intingawe yabona wayaphanda awalala insebenzo ikhona inhlonipho intingawe yabona bayaphanda awalala insebenzo ikhona inhlonipho Estambiso ungaphela amandla iminqweno yethu ivakele indando anayo ingangolwandle kumele sifunde ubekezela ingosolini leyathembisa hayi kwenzeka isimanga amaphupha fezeka kwavele kwalunga yonke into ndancedwa yinkolo nensebenzo noguqa ngejolo kubawo hayi intingawe intingawe ndandisemnyameni ndingawo nalo mnyango kwabaleka insuku ndikhangela indlela yophuma
Nika ni kode mic.
Tonele puto.
Kode mic yakhe.
Tonele.
Nika ni kode mic.
Tonele.
Sidibanisa naleli eqala. Diamond ngena competition.
Shoda. Saya Masango.
Shoda.
Ngigqibela.
Siqobile nesiqobile damn. Run 2 competition next.
You must actually talk, ne?
Never. How's it? Ibuka ngincinci lona ngabe? Man, tell us about yourself.
Mfana wamasanga ngicabela umkhulu umqhaphazeli ukish from eDrive Lane untouchable album if we can't get can't tholakala but izanifumana.
Wusho?
Thibela nama stand just me Saturday.
Nam?
Nawe bra. Bra bebona bra. Ngiyabo bra.
Yazazi is famous xa udibana nazo zenza nto. Siyathanda ukuthi sho mfetha ulithoba
Yeah, I need a performer, but we figure out doesn't perform later.
Damn, so wenzani wena?
Ndingathi musician da.
Uzosenzela ntoni namhlanje?
Okay, manikubekele kanje. Qale last year urap.
When?
Like over the track is out.
Oh, yeah.
So from last year, like Ujonga now, like like so it's gonna shake it.
Oh, so it's gonna shake like no big closer.
Let's go. I came prepared ngale thobala le intro yami mo. So ke ngoku pha ku account yami pha ku YouTube ndenda sifakela i-beat yami as introducer kuyo.
Okay.
So ngisesha bamfana kamasanga.
No,
uyacula introducer.
Uyacula kanye rap. Singing or rapping.
Zidibene man. Clark.
Exception.
Instrumental?
Yeah.
Kazo i-rap beka. Wa. Represent Drive Lane that's a point cry for kanjani.
So guys, we mix a rap and singing.
Quality insondele mos. Aw. Okay. Yeah. Akhona. I've been running shit, I've been running shit, I've been running shit, I've been running shit, I've been running shit when you sing umdan. I've been running shit when you sing umdan. I've been running shit, I've been running shit, I've been running shit, I've been running shit, I've been running shit when you sing umdan. Lot of niggas they be speaking but abenzi kwanto. Every time I drop ukuba kwi artist evukayo. Call me Dr. Kelandi nomculo philisayo. Yazi kwela kapa ayingathanga kusayo phandwa. Veki weekend inkulu ke ngudladla. Stina phezwe Stina ghost itafili bemnyama. Uthi uyanthanda kwaye uthanda nesavana uphambene. Moving like engine yetexe kasoko ndandumile. Nandaba ya Boris long ipokotho zijimile. She thought was in love nondombu ufika ndlala usete. Uri usibona sichata I'm like nondombu zenenye. Fighting on my flows but abate batyebe. Ekas bayibam ngegaweni meeting nothing ngehemba. Every time I drop I know obzamu zinmamele. From AMZ to PMZ lo mculo ndiwumele. Umfana kamasangu is bring the most endikumele. Le game unmenge ngiqayila ngenba still bathi ndithwele. Letha ngenqayine order cause nganama nthanda ukhepha. That drop uphana pha but ngumlilo wamaphepha. Ngoba shange feature I saw Stina men's dinner. Thought of switching locations because ikhalumeza. Istovu sikusikisilo mnani uphethe ubhena. We made a parking lot la mine nondombi upakile. She said she's an introvert bephethe mic yami uxakile. Kafunda imbizo upop the build up but lo mnani usakhile. Umjithu shange feature.
Forgive them. Save yourself for round 2. That's too much, bro. That's fire, bro. That's fire.
What Robert go back to the paper.
That's fire, bro.
Simple as that.
uzokuphuma baba.
Oko uhlala eQaphondeni?
Yeah, ukuna hlala eQaphondeni.
Ngasephumile. Yiza hulumani.
Ubutani.
Sithandishanye. Okay. Ngicela imoto zethu yabo. Sibe rating ngePaul. iPaul ibe ready from imods iPaul cause asizovota ngokwethu kodwa si biased show makhulumana So niyacula noyi-2 yabo, we're getting straight into it ngo. Ngiyaculo. So nifuna iphi instrumental enoyisebenzisa noyi-2. And le way yasizuyicima, uzocula ucule, abudine khona acule, then kube kwi-Paul. Kwa instrumental eyi-1. And nosibanize eyi-1, these singers most.
Yeah, I can choose for the
Oh, utwena noma
versatile.
it's fine.
Yeah, it's just like, yeah.
You're killing him regardless. I love the confidence. I love the confidence.
Yo, ngilizayo kamnandi.
Okay, let's toss a coin. Oh, yeah, Muka.
It's fine. It's fine. Yabonga vele nisondele.
Carry on, kusho indaba. Hayi. Phuma nankosi ngiyaphuma. Ngifihle ingozi nenjaba nayo yonke imimoya. Thatha njengosomandla. Lungisa impilo yami kwabantu abalunganga. Ngoba namhlanje ngibona ngelani ngalokho.
Ball.
Yenzo njani we?
Nama busy
The beat okanye he just continues.
Uyaqhubekeka
Ball back to back with-rap.
Back to
Back
back.
to back.
namvotela kade continue.
Ukuthi uyamvotela.
Continue namvotela nami.
Ngena nawe.
Kanye ufuna kutshintsha ingoma.
Wayishilo
Ball yikho fakuba.
Yes,
Sayishintsha.
Una matema.
I say rapper. Hey, 1 2 1 2. Check it out. Hey. Izakimeti tracks uphila ubomi basekhasi umfakazi hey ntwana engathi awunalwazi utshayiswazi wante ilindele imivumbakazi khapikazi where's my real nigga Mr. Nas chikunite ubusuku wangiphele mina inyuku ungibuze kusiphokaza ndikubonela intweni khazi uzungandibuza ukuba ku10 kuba nama ndiyazi basuka lahlala Tony G wabhala kwacaca ama-hater yavala ngena ngeforce kumkhosi kashaka ngepanga siyaphanda qhaqinqhaqa swaya ke mchanda zachisa zarara thwalisa umthwalo lila Sahara ikasi Sahara Gigi Converse ngamadamara walala wayala iskasi life chana satata I'm Tony G I'm from a Dungan village they call me G I'm for real killy cats uqhiba nquma bhesi now I can see lama jita ya hater cause ndiyachisa mpethu umlilo xake fire brigade boy I'm the murderer ndisamna soza kuqala ubhedela nisezi isbore crowd this is bhanqa nje zifuna ukolelwa masiyeke kanje
Okay, ngicela senze ni-poll ke ngoku. Amagameni Tony G.
Oh, this is Tony G 442. I didn't even get to introduce myself. Hello, you all people. My name is Kamvale to Tony. Well, Tony G 442. Yeah, please.
Yeah, Tony G 442.
Anathi swapi.
Anathi swapi. Let's do a poll.
Tony Paul. You are. I'm not the voter.
Let me hang.
Shout out.
Yo, what about 72? I believe I knew.
Yo, what a jonga pa. Shout out to the 72. How young see it?
So 84.
Next year is about 100.
Say your last word.
Yeah, ish.
Say,
Yeah, it was nice to
say,
be here. The last
say,
words. One thing that I can say, you must dream. A dream that is bigger than you are. Like, yeah, just be humble and be passionate. It is the key to achieving about every sphere. I love you all so much.
Uyovala ngokim. Ayikubeka kanjani?
Madoda asaflik nani thina ngo. Philile la. Indoda bhekethe sondela nga. Sondela na. Yo funa manje. Ish. Buthela ngihela ke wena jo. Ngokuziyakhala ngomadoda.
Na ingikela ngayivima lo manzi.
Jonga nje ibeat asistop. Rap. Back to back. Then sibene Paul, owinile Paul ndanami. Suqala mehlo.
Hayibo.
Kanyiba ngo. Bo.
Lobile. Babe sifasa kisasa choose. Bezovela bethi we yakhe aphume. Update we
Bo.
yakhe.
Nathi drive.
Okay.
Bo. Okay. Ukwazi. Sondelana.
Yeah. Uye wacela ipiknaza ngeqala hiding my face with the phones abantwana came as a goat nina ngamatakane ufika nebeef unditsali okala we getting along siseli savana fika sentshiso kwesiphayisi ndiyakhwetha ndiyitya yonke bafundi zayikwela ucinga ukwakho uthi umamela ugani I'm changing the song ndifaka uzahara doing the most nika ndimele ikasi ufika kwam bathatha ukuhlala phansi bathi yegosi ngomkhulu apha ekasi look at my body hayi go antye bam I'm standing on top apha CP team if awuvumi then uteam must team dala napheka ngoku ndimo phethe imbizi wayina xabiso une-booking fee fana kamasango on top of this game fika kwami cast things never been the same senimkhulu ekasi I don't do it for the fame qabela phezu kwebeat like udid funa uba nemali ndifane nomboweni mele ikasi lam uthi isitulo bezeni if it's on top then ibaholihleni I stand for my city man I stand for my hood chilling at the top and angeke ningisusa dala masango boy too good oh god bebengazi feel like nimimeya cause bathi mpethe ikasi ndiphi imanzi leyo ngathi ndikhalelwe ngamanzi cela inamba yam ndamshanje ngebhandi kurayisa pheki mani era nje isosi heading for the top then ndibambe njengomqali kulala kwabhiphi phethe umkhono ndimushaka ngathi ndibethisana xa nokudisa usakhasi fana kamasango sekuwapathe hani ndiyambona ingabi khona into enje fane so-hard akasabampheki naye so-cold kasaqhaqhazeli ile mpina simen cash phambili kwakundinomtshana meni ndimi ankile nontomi ngumswati uthi mfana usebentile nguwedi masipala umeletile ilokishi stand for masiri ngamadide konile
Sen njengomkhuluwane lilo ikrwala thi ukothula xa thetha amaqala loo nto xa thetha kuthuleka kwakha themba kaphatha ken njengomkhuluwane lilo ikrwala thi ukothula xa thetha amaqala loo nto xa thetha kuthuleka kwakha niggas be hating baphatha lulaka I keep on winning ndidane sentshaba iphutha andenzi ungabuza nonqaba kubo phambene ndikombela incwaba matter of fact kumungunyana thini izitsweye kutheni uphambene inqindi ndiyaliphusha ndiyabona ulibele thetha kakhulu nempama ingene zange wahoda ubana njeceke just like my eyes wena kumkhenza sibiza igoti zapha ndicela kubo dwapho soze yele ekse asoze ndimele okay phuma yemphatha bokugcwela amaginzi zinto ezinehit ukogqitha amabhithi mina imoto kwekhala amajinja abakhada kweziyana kwabona yazinza taking no else kodini ndiyawina thixo ndiyacela uzulizala isidinga ngoku selapha ndikwazi ukujika njengothandeni ndikhande umzila Vyaphela phela sazongena.
Nisazongena imali. Yephile.
Yeme.
Waqhubela ke madoda. Yo endwana ayithayi le. Ngale beat yakho.
Ndihlala beat yami ta.
So join lyrics.
It's fine. Yo endwana.
Dija ugeme nigcwele mane. Hey, dija ugeme nigcwele mane. Yo, ngiyandijanga lo. Say, wait. Asam, okay, man, okay, say, Dija ugeme nigcwele manene le game undiphethe kuvuma neqhele kubuye igoti zapha ndiqhele yela ndiyafunga usoze undimele kubule kwala yezapha ndipheke uzoba ngusihotha soze banyele apha mhlazani
ngicela kwabadala washi hope make you proud maqwatho dabisi 200 penini ingephepeni nayichitha dala besitiphola wena mdogo uyashisa babizana ngekothi sigcwele bayahlinza fika studio ndithi ngebathupha uyinkinga nepisha le ngoma ndiyiperforme ibisi khona ngazuchathi bedi ngidisa utsiki khona zolama ngale track nizane sim atisonka here Zulu hand uthi kumo ndilisoka sathi ine goals usaka sinebhola umdala kule game but kumo uyikhotla
hey okay yeah Utumdida ni toddler, never been a prince but still they are moving. Never thought still they are cooler. Never put the things that I never done. To the prince, bad cooler than number one. Get the praise, I was never been the cause of the stars. But never with the better that I never with the right. I never niggas never covered that I'm telling with the sound. Live with the repetitive, you was never the sign. I can imagine the picture that I spent by the sun. In goes in a course, chin, my daughter. Kill it but the prince, but still see a go on the finger, always policy a poster. Kill the prince, but
the competition is
ball, you say I tight. I got green.
Ya carbon draw.
Anam ya
carbon draw.
It was Ilya once. But unfortunately, my daughter, never call up my boy.
On a carbon draw.
Who? We need a kid. Follow what I only we need a kid. You are winning 61-39. Damn.
What a no band depends killer no two.
Yeah, I'm saying,
Ungandawoni mntana? Jani ke ngoku. Jani ke ngoku belanduka.
Ngise umjita ufuna aringe some last words about.
Mama ngol khasiphatha drink befrijini.
Otherwise, I go by the name Mfana Kamasam, Ngabelo Welokishi, Mxhaphazi Welokishi, untouchable, unbumbable, can't get it, can't tolakala, never fumana, but namhlanje antol. Yabona ikhuphe EP which is ngfo ilokishi yabo. Go stream it up, man.
Yeah. This was up. Mawuja ngebras.
Oh, yeah.
This is the collab we didn't know we needed. We need this collab.
So they don't have it yami. Kuma bras ngoku.
Shit.
Kulate ngobona. So into zokwenzeka. Fake beat, ya rap back to back. Then yavota
ayibozwa.
Ne.
Play the same beat,
right? Amagama abo kind of a beast, no 45 baby.
Ayo, Lyric, what's poppin', boy?
Hey, I'm about to kill it, yeah. I'm about to murder, I'm about to kill it, yeah. I am a bird, nigga can feel me, yeah. Can't even touch me, nigga, even if you on your feelings, yeah. I'm in the building, I'm in the house, I'm in the building, yeah. Check foundation, check out the height, nigga, I'm building, yeah. All of my niggas go up to the top, my nigga ain't feel it. I'ma just go out there, you can drop and probably drill it. Niggas, I'm Dizampezo. You know that Dizabulan. Niggas, I'm trying to get the ghetto. Nigga, ayazi shapaga. The pair, nigga, I'm the pega. I'm a chef, nigga, buzu tata. Nigga, pega, nigga, the aketa. Yeah, clean, ungabuza no mama. All these niggas say, see me later. I'm a corner, I'm gonna kala. And you know a nigga never take a hit. I never fake a nigga, wanna koala. In the West, never flex, nigga. I might get a change just for that shit. I been chilling all over the place, nigga. I been dealing on that shit. And niggas saying that they own it. They ain't really never own shit.
Fuck you,
and niggas saying that they own it. I ain't seen a nigga own shit.
Seen shit.
I'm chilling at the right top, nigga. I ain't trying to get up there. If I'm trying to get up top, then I smoke a blunt and get high there.
Smoke that shit.
Why niggas wanna try to know me? Why these niggas wanna try to fold me? Tiptoeing, I'm tiptoeing to the top, nigga. You ain't even know me. Every day I'm always killing, nigga. I been trying to get it slipping on this bitch. And niggas saying that they trying to get all this money, but they ain't make it flip. Trying to kill it, and I'm trying to murder. Every day, nigga, I'ma hurt her. Every day, nigga, they gon' hurt it. I be switching up the fucking hurts it. I be checking up the frequency. And these niggas saying that they see me. And these niggas saying that they beat me. But they never ever don't beat me.
Okay, some nigga one more chance.
What beat are you looking for?
Like, can't I say it's just a beat, like...
You can't.
Sibaze beats now.
Ingazo copyright or special. Zenziwe producer special. You serious, Fed?
Like serious.
Hi, Fed, come on.
So you'd rather do what now? That baby sounds like that baby.
That baby straight. Your little baby like I got.
The 808 straight the baby.
Yeah.
Ooh. The 808 straight the baby.
Yeah, about more.
Niggas can't ever take me. These niggas ain't trying to fake me. In the Cape Side, they ain't trying to bake me. I'm cooking, I'm trying to bake it. They shook and I'm trying to shake it. Nah, they took, but I'm for to take it. Every day, nigga, I'm out to pay it. Busy, I walk the pavement. Nigga, I walk the head shit. Nigga, I'ma pull up and take shit. Nigga wanna talk, they ain't never gonna say shit. I be killing on this beat, I'm trying to switch the flow and make it really, really sick. Going up to the doctor, niggas trying to get a top, but they ain't really pick.
Come here.
They be thinking I'm using narcotics, ayy. Now the coded cops upon me. I pull the trigger for one of my homies, even though I'm not really an OG. I look like a tourist attraction. Cause they see that my Jewish is on flick, smoking hot and I walk like a zombie. I told you I'm a safety precaution. Because these niggas acting like they know me. Cause they know that I'm broke, but they don't know I'm still on the road. If I'm gonna continue, I'm still on the road. I will never keep myself by the road. Niggas be capping cause I'm about to blow. Hey, smash all why I use code.
You might
like, God, there's nothing I can do.
I be in the days.
Like just like you said, like that. It's obvious. It's
okay,
obvious.
Paul.
Nah, do it, Paul. Can we get your names?
Kind of a beast.
Kind of a beast, no 45 baby.
45 baby, no kind of a beast. Nancy for the yaka. Bo. Yo. Nancy Paul. Bo. 494 to 6. Perfect. Okay, I. My nigga. Siyenzeka zwe man. Bo 94 to 6. Yo, fucking poets.
Poets, yeah.
Hayi ke ziyakhala mabras. Bitches ka facilitate partner zahlala lapha.
Heke. Lapha. Ngoku.
Mahrotman competition ngole. Sudini.
Bona lapho khona ibeat bikuyadlala kuphuma.
So nifuna ibeat enjani? For ubonga. Uzobonga ukhuluma bazo rap.
Sizabonga futhi omkhulu. Awuhlobonga ngibona ngayo bafuna Oh. Yasena uzo amagama okuqala.
Okay, siphethe umnumzana uZilimbola nomnumzana uSiphamula.
Kunjalo.
Phamula. Bani? Siphamula noZilimbola.
Umxolela kanjani umzali owathatha ubuntombi bakho? Umxolela kanjani umzali owathatha ubuntombi bakho? Wena mzali buhla kanjani ubuthongo kuwe udlongele inzala yakho kulona umhlaba izenze ezimanyukunyezi zinokukwenzeka uphindile intombazananyana ehlakaniphileyo enengomso eliqhakazileyo esikolweni wayipasa emaqabini abafundisi intsapho bemqhwabela izandla yakhe ingqiqo inikisa umdla kwabanye abafundi ababethatha nzima esikolweni wayisifaka isandla ngenelele sisibonelo kwabanye abafundi okubuhlungu elakhe ingomso lobulawa nguyise ngokumbulala ubuyena yena lowo wavukelwa inkanuko uphindile efunda ezilungiselela ukuvavanya ezolibhala ngengomso wakhe utata wazingenela esibayeni emhlengula uphindile ekhala esimantshene sithi tata hayi ke lento yenzayo yena ebane ukuthi inyamezela mntana wami sendiza kugqiba umxolela kanjani umzali owathatha ubuntombi bakho kuwe mzali iqhubeka kanjani impilo ekubeni wenze isenzo esibolhlobo lowo yayingumbuzo uphindela wayezibuza mhla nezolo esikolweni iperformance ezifundweni isehla abafundisi intsapho bezibuza imibuzo bembuza ukuba uhlutshwa yintoni suke zizehlele inyembezi kuye uthi xa ebaphendula ootitshala nootitshalakazi uthi umxolela kanjani umzali owakuthatha ubuntombi bakho kuwe mzali iqhubeka kanjani impilo ekubeni isenzo esibolhlobo uthi yena akasayiboni asayiphilelayo nesamsa esikolweni akasayiboni elakhe ingomso libulawe indlavino nguyise ngako yena ucinga ngokuthabatha wakhe umphefumlo uthi uthe ukuxelela umama wakhe ngenze isenzo senziwe nguyise wathi makangayikhwazi angaxeli namnye umuntu ngenze isenzo siza kuthethwa isikhaya uyakhala uphindile uthi mama utata undiphindaphindile endiguquguqula ukundiphequlula ndikhothisa nento yakhe yangaphambili engqorhola ngelizwi lithi nyamezela mntana wam zizinto zakhona ezi unyoko ziyamuyise ngako wena ndilungiselela mhla ufika emtshatweni ndifuna ufike sewunamava umxolela kanjani umzali owakudlwengulayo uxola kanjani emphefumlweni xa ubane ubonana nobuso abakwenza isenzo esibolhlobo valani olocango ubutata kwelo gumbi kuvakala isanqu esezijwili zabantwana abangamantombazana bathi siphamula tyatyadula umxolela kanjani umzali owathatha ubuntombi bakho ndaphendula ngelithi botata valani olocango kwelo gumbi kuvakala isanqu esezijwili zabantwana abangamantombazana bedlwengula nguyise besebancinci bakhule benezingqurhu ezinhliziyweni zibabuyisele umva inkqubekela phambili inqongophale ngako wena phindile zifundise uzifumanele uxolo kodwa hayi ukumxolela ngoba oloxolo liyokubulala mhla ekuphinda seumxolele oniphakela lomphako ngusiphamula impunge yokuxhuma lokukhala ixilongo bekhala abakhalayo kanti eqhama amakhwane
Oh yeah, iphuza nami. 4 hours kanti ngigcibe yaphela.
Bese sisabhokwe Nkosi. Sihlangula izimvu zikamelusi. Undibona ndiphethe nje. Sisabhokwe. Andibuvu ubunzima bexhadi. Xa ndigalela ndiyancediswa mani ngathi. Ndinokuzidla okwendoda enhle phambi kwentlanti. Qhiwulisile ngamandla kaVaynek noVulsaki. Hayi bafana bama ndinesabi. Ndinamachamba ngenxeni yokuzazi. Azange ndaliqabela iqonga abadani. Ndizalwe ebukhosini kodwa ndingomdangi. Ufikile unogumbe. Mababhace lo maphahla bawancothule ba. Phume kanje. Izihlwele zami mna ikwangamangqinam. Ukhokhele zona zilande lapha emva kwami. Kanti kwangaxeshanye nasi abeca kwami sivelile kuwe ngam. Bakhona abantu abadala ningathi nive ngam ababelapha ngabalapha baseza kubalapha. Eli lihlabathi igada ekhaya lemidaka bancazele kule mbijana. Mabavuke eli lihlo silivule ububona buvumbuke. Hey sihlangula izimvu zikamelusi Nkosi. Ngithi ndiphethe sisabhoko. Andidlali. Sihlangula izimvu zikamelusi. Intambana nina le ibeka ingqathe ebaleni. Izawuya nina esikolweni. Hey, ndibona Lisa besihla ngomveli wenu. Ndibona Madiba into ezivama ukuncothuka egadeni. Ndibulele ngobukho kwagcina nasemanuneni. Ndibulele ngenqi. Ndibulele ngomzila. Onocacileyo umqiqo. Akwandimpilo egqirha nyanga amasiko. Akwandimpilo egqirha nyanga amasiko. Ihlangula izimvu zikamelusi. Oh, ngenela lamanyange.
Yeah. Hayi, itouched him.
Damn. I got Johnny Boy.
Ngule izimvu zikamelusi.
Kwenzalo.
Yeah. Hayi ke. Paul chat. Yona ansi Paul. Wa.
Otherwise guys are inspired.
Bosi mina ngiyazi ntoni? Ndibulela mina nobona wena. Don't ndivele nalapha. Eyona nto ngamandla. Iyona nto ngamandla and ke ngoku ubhuti omkhulu. Ungiqwabile yanda mina iflowers zakho ubhuti omkhulu.
Who's next? Who are you pairing up next?
Hayi dayama.
Sawuncokola Nkosi.
Ana kanjani? Yini? Ngizoloba ndikhona naso uplug abantu phela yini?
Hayi ke.
Yabo, I know.
Hayi ke. Bega flat.
Wa,
Bega flat.
Bega flat. Madoda.
Oramen.
Yathi zashaya ke bra. Hayi, zashaya.
Alomjida yabo bethe zophendukile mahaphelele kancane.
Too cute.
Kancane.
So siqala ngeqala piano rap. Competition ngamadoda bakanyiwe.
Ngangulu.
Yeah. Qala wena tayam. Kuje rr.
I was diagnosed with depression with everything that I went through as a woman and as a
Amtsala manzi mina bra.
Unani manje ngicela leni.
Amtsala manzi.
Iya pa yo rap. Altozi pen cheese boy.
Ngihlala phansi.
Una ngaphi tozi pen?
Bokate ke bokate papa.
Yes.
Bokate.
Nana nini?
Bokate.
Wow,
Una ngaphi tozi pen?
Grandma is very young.
Ngifuna ufuna ichomi yakho, ngifuna uqala ndiyaphi na ngaphi.
Eksenkosi anamazwi but imasti bankhwela beat ngenze mnandi amachita drop ibars kodwa thina siva sandi ingqeqesho asibambi cause ayikhali ngongwezintsha nabancathi anthembi nabazali cause banako ungakhathali imizamo yama bayithanda intshukumo zama bazibale mntanandini asikuthandi betsho kum andwalibali lo mazwi bulela umgcini kondenza indoda ndanika isethembisi balani ngoquesta ndizumosha ndingumxhosa andidlali netball andikwazi uphosa khandine ndibe neqhosha xhamela umnanza soda jonga when phekwe Eastern Cape I thought bana ndimncinci but sendiperformiswe Cape ezintwana sifuna ismoke xa sendifika zithi vape bendisanda utatsha ubang roll ndimxelela silindi tape bang gang lona uthando ndilizamile endibathandileyo bandiphulile ndilincamile ngokunenhliziyo semnyama cause uthando lunqabile imizwa senayo inhliziyo iqinile ihamile jonga ngo2024 wachusa imithi silulini nomntana uselikrwalo khwela intambo then wachaya as it January was the first time ndikhala sanbe namazwi amamlomo ndivenda uvala lona ikamba liyakhanya kodwa sikhule siyazi indlala sikhule sinexhala lobuzaba ndonomqala sikhule sikwazi ubala but high school saphapha then ikamba lachaba ayibo chat andiniboni subscriber yo big man amati ngawetyala ngalomazi ndiyayivala ngidoza ibanks lami igama from eJozi to eKapa ngokuslapha yes
Bega flat.
Awuyifake yakenza lento.
So mshida kwami ithi zoncish. Idrama kodwa le.
Ndoni ngani ngakho brother.
No, nideza.
Take a true bill.
Siskep. Tinizenja.
Hayibo Joe.
No, uthi umshida kwami ithi zeno achaya.
Ngibone niba uthi idrama isuka.
Idrama njani?
Idrama njani?
Yeah.
Like a kind of for the child. And it's avoid now.
Because abazali bakho mshidi we-strict. Most of the time amachira abanengxaki bakuni meeting.
So mshidi ucisele inxoso ezayo.
Kube meeting.
Kube meeting.
Umama walamlana bengititshala isigele yabo. So engititshala strict nasemanyana ngokusezibhido power yabhatala for ezawena umshidi was 116.
Sure.
Mina ndoba umbhali le.
Ya tyathina kunani.
Nebeka
Awamumkhulu bengitshela awamugogo bengitshela athi mntanami ubozimela uboqaphele emazweni uboqaphele emazweni uboqaphele emazweni uboqaphele emazweni uboqaphele emazweni akanti wena Nkosi uphendula kanjani akanti wena Nkosi uphendula banani bengicela ungiphi imitha ngihlale nginemali ngiwespend eDubai akanti wena Nkosi uphendula kanjani akanti wena Nkosi uphendula banani bengicela ungiphi imitha ngihlale nginemali ngiwespend eDubai bengizocela ukuqa ngamadolo phansi ngicele kuwe mntale ngicele kwabaphansi ngicela ugogo ukuthi angentlalela icansi khomisa impepho kuze kuvume nabaphansi bengizocela ukuqa ngamadolo phansi ngicele kuwe mntale ngicele kwabaphansi ngicela ugogo ukuthi angentlalela icansi khomisa impepho kuze kuvume nabaphansi benkosi ngicela ukuthi rest in peace kukhila ka uNompura sikukhumbula benkosi ngicela ukuthi rest in peace kukhila ka uNompura sikukhumbula host king host dikeleme ka ofela
Peter Papio.
Ubulele le.
Hayi bulela ibeke flat. Ayihamba nami line buka.
Cele Paul
guys.
Fika abantu abangapi ngo? Okay, but manje ngikwazi ukukhweza
Ajani. No. No.
Ngiyaqhekeza ne.
Angikwazi
uloka nami bro.
Ingenabe violence bra.
Ngamqekeza ubixhosa wena.
Utshoka kanjani?
Dog.
Okay. Yo 85-15.
Awulwile umjita bro.
Akho ngishake hands mama.
Sibangalandela abantu.
Yeah.
Bangalandela abantu social.
Yeah, ngithola ku TikTok King Skele yabo. Yeah, for sure. Or Facebook King Indiphile Gqwetha. Yeah. Ingoma zami yazifumana kuzo zonke platforms. You can search King Skele Musabela, King Skele Amanzi or King Skele featuring K-Wax Amazwe. So ngithola lapho danko bafethu.
Hey, this one is so interesting. Ufuna ubona
Le inzima le. Sho makhulumani phela bull. Hayi sikhona. So that I'm Jim balusisa no bhaka waxa siza awuthembe abantu bangabani.
Ngiqaluza naye ngoba serious uJohn.
Okay, yabo competition when sec final yabo. Yabo ke lewe ne?
Next time guys. It's off.
Lewe le
it's coming.
Interesting because uyimbongi uyisina.
Yes.
So we go on.
So uzoba ipite one le.
I want to see this one. Very interested.
Yeah.
And they can even use like Yoshua because ungacula kula beat. Come this I decide.
Come on here.
Don't le bra.
Oh, but we have to bra.
The flex is like my food.
I have no enough money to
Don't le bra.
Uyeshua. Mina ncane maplaza wami. Bona ngizipholela.
Sese ulambi guys can you see I not sese man.
But then Yoshua bani kanene?
Worship.
Worship. Why discover njani le beat 4 hours?
I don't think so kwacula lewe.
La.
Okay.
Singazikhetheli na plus.
Niyazikhethela plus.
Yeah, bethe yakho mina ngibethe yakho.
Kufanele be fast ke wona.
Lekube fast. Athi ngibone zawuva ngaba ayikho fast zayichange but I think I've got maybe 2 options. Lo ring khona for ring fast.
Singajonga instrumental ka.
But siqala lapha man.
Ngibasela. That's all I can see.
Yo.
Guys, benite nepotism kanza ne bodyguard please. Abo. Banda bayazi yazi ngoba. Sam Smith out.
Hayi.
Umculo omamela bra.
Maskandi.
Maskandi nandole.
Maskandi yana only. Sam Smith mamela.
Listen to every song, every music on air.
So it's not yeah, Zafaka Magama. I'm not gonna sing the song, so okay, okay. Song is called Vuga Mama. Ndivuka ekuseni ngithanda amathafa ngifuna umsebenzi ukubunjani sapha nalo akunamsebenzi ekhaya bayabuza iphi imali ngoba ufundile impilo inzima ziziqalekiso namzuzile sekuphela iminyaka sekuvala iminyango no impilo inzima sekuphela iminyaka sekuvala iminyango no impilo inzima awuvuka mama iyo impilo inzima thethelela somandla thethelela bawo iyo impilo inzima amasango esikolo ndisho wonke ndiwangenile kodwa womsebenzi insuku zonke wona valiwe ndizame konke ndizamile sekuphela iminyaka sekuvala iminyango no impilo inzima hawuvuka mama iyo impilo inzima khawuvuke mama vuka mama impilo inzima
hlale thembeni, hlale thembeni, hlale thembeni, thandaza. Wenu thembeni, wenu thembeni, wenu thembeni, thandaza. Sekuphela iminyaka, sebevala iminyango, no, impilo enzima. Awuvuke mama, vuka mama. Hlale thembeni.
This guy is gonna be a superstar, bro. Yeah.
Yes,
definitely.
Jacob and Jade na uyesho.
Worship naye Pacheco.
Yeah. I'm so interested in this one.
Uyasho batadabo yasho.
Batata mnene kwa yisho le 3 hours.
Lala ngazi manje.
Vuka mama.
Siyahamba thina ukwenje njalo sithe chu ukubuyela embo ingcambu zethu zobuthina ziyahluma zihluma ngokuhluma isityalo siyokozela isityalo esatyalwa ngodade omkhulu bethu amaXhosa ixhosa ngaxhalabi siyahamba thina ukwenje njalo senza ubulandela ubuthina senza umnceleleyo yokuXhosa isixhosa esinezafobe amaqhalo izachinelo zakwande zifihlakele isixhosa esasixhoswa ngamaXhosa uqhala bondlebe ezikhanyelanga esasixhosa sixhoswa ngamaXhosa kugqumo xami emgxobhozweni siyahamba thina ukwenje njalo abanye ngathi bayashekela ngoba sebethe gabhu kweza ngaphandle inkolelo kusinina sampumputheka isizukulwana sikaphalo sizilibele ubusona silahlekile nabancinci bayalahlekiswa kulahlekiwe siyahamba thina ukwenje njalo siyoqunqinqa bakaxakazwa kwethu siyosulunga ingxaki kwanti ngoba nakuthuthwa ngasakwanakele amasiko alahla wasaxatyiswa ngakwantu enhlanti zikhala amabhungana kuseko zimpahla intsimi zenile ezinyanya zalolonga amaXhosa usazuyanga siyahamba thina ukwenje njalo sihambe sinemibuzo inhloko kayinza yaqabela phi umhlaba wathi nomkhulu bethu waqabela phi ubutyebo umtata omkhulu bethu bathina phi zonke zathathwa ngomphehluzeli ungama ngaba ngabo lwandle mphane nathi siyahamba thina vulekana mehle nibone uba nendlela nihamba yinamkhombandlela mzontsonto dlokovane nibuyele embo ukubuyela emasikweni mayingabi ukubuya kanxele ndirham
Let's harmonies in the the poets in the background.
Abafuna ngibele studio ngaqala ngathi harmonies the best. Wa Paul ready. Ne ready bro.
Let's go. Mina brand ngicana noyithu mina bona.
Ayikho ngamle le is fair. Bo. Damn.
Shout out, doctor.
Do you guys want to give? Do you guys want to give any words?
Speechless. It's not like I'm not happy, but I was expecting Anati to.
Now why?
Motivate your answer.
Motivate your answer.
I need to motivate. No. I don't know, bruh. But I was just expecting. I'm not saying it was better than his, but I was just expecting Nkula winner over poetry.
Yeah. Damn.
We're the poetry because.
Kuja high sibuyelembo thina.
Sibuyelembo thina.
Ane high span man. Safaka bogqibela. Yo.
It's replaced.
Yeah, I left. Normally kaki inqulile before izahamba le.
Say your handles abantu afumana.
Oh,
igama anathi Swapi so Facebook anathi Swapi Instagram anathi _Swapi Swapi wami no H not Swapi aku TikTok is anathi _Swapi
nomculo out
yeah definitely so I mean if you search anathi Swapi on YouTube kuzoba mnandi or Paula you'll find
I'll make a lot of money with you, bro. I can see potential in it. Umculo wako wenza imali.
So no theater after this?
Yeah.
Kalau ndiyabuza.
Sorry, bro.
Lariga phi?
Hayi bo. Oh, why? This is business.
But yeah, I'm the tip in about can edit. Usually I listen to things, the things Mamela will before edit, then upload it save. But I think your clips are gonna trend.
Nah.
Yeah. Emotional. Kind of a beast now, building.
Chawuti londi vote wrong. 8:30 no, 9. Singachinja to 9 maybe. Panza ichinga because the change tradition yam. Phones over ngani chat. Oh nibuyile madoda. Yabona ke ngoku ne unfair game. Yeah. Ewin lab sithi wansana le yakube kuwin. Madoda kuwina 1 lapha kono. Yanyiwa.
So we socks na
finalist senilindile pha ishushu yaqhuma.
Man finalist kan.
Letso zembumbi.
Poet. I got a chat sometimes.
Yeah, maybe unfair.
Maybe unfair pa. Mna in my books venda qonda tsozi like izowina overall. Mhlambi irapper ngibona.
Yeah.
But imbongi also ibona mhlambi touching. Ne?
Deliver like a story yabo.
Yeah. Antan theater ke mna ngosigcibela theater nganaxesha lo theater.
Okay, back to business guys.
Who's feeling that shit out here, man?
Senubeka flat ngapha yami. Eqala. Kuwina 1 madoda neyalona.
Yo, hey, say, yo, yeah, bro.
Hey.
Yo. Say, ibindim nomfana kamasango, ngoku I'm back, chana ndingurambo, yeah, deal akho kwalando, money just in, akho kwaningako, yeah. Dalethwa nifundisa igaxo, dalethwa nifundisa umzamo, dalethwa nifundisa iflow, yeah, ayithetha ngomlambo, okay, yeah, suka emthatha nzoxaka apha ekapa, kuxesha lophumla ukhimo yakathaza, thetha uqondile sondrekela iwaza, big boy moves ukukhala nabadala, kwayitheri yakho manika ndiyayichaza, yela ndiyamezisa ndibhizi ndiyamthwaxa, khwela amabraza athi kela uyalimaza, yela ndiyamenzisa ndibhizi ndiyamthwaxa, yeah, this flow can't come no more, man with the praise that the kind of souls, keep with the praise, lot talks, never with the praise, never butter with the knocks, money in, money out, chin, hibo, with TikTok, money but the verses, lies and the knocks, little with the things and I never that dogs. Chin, skybox, sky, chin, sky rocks. The chat is feeling me. I'm a better with a tail like a delicacy. I'm a man with a press and ability. I'm a weekend found Tennessee. Money in, races, laces. Tell it with the press and the case, I'm braceless. I'm with the press and I'm here and I'm topless. Money prayer with the press like I'm topless. Niggas king, yeah. Azang and I win, azang and I ding, azang and I feel. Fell it with the press, but it's still young dig. Never put the press, but I'm done with your cheese. Shit. Oh my god, this process lolly. Head up with the process, dot, Kali and goes, Yolanda Bani. Damn, I soak your cheese, team, lead or sleep by your feet. Head up with the press and Zion I keep. Get up with the priest, but still never kill. Yeah, like too good, bro. And it's not like I'm cocky on shit. But none of these niggas is putting me on the dustbin. I sugar, chin, bongo, ban, bon, tat, on born. Paid up with the priest, but take on call. Late but the priest, and I swear was all call. Yeah, and Zay Apanga, Zay Apango, Zay Apango win. Man, Morse, sleaze, I bow, no remorse. Okay, same. Bona ubrows jelly obit kokwa ndingakho mthana racist money but the process sting tastes kuba umhlophe ndikuzona manyani head up with the process spora ngamzali head up with the cross anengoya kwamzali intombi kamjita ndiyayitya still ndiyayithwaxa still ndiyayifaka still ndiyamzama still ndiyayigana still ndizamgaba suka
What? That's what's up.
Yo.
However.
Same beat, right? Change the beat.
Same beat.
Mega flat.
Yeah, flat. We don't come alive. We don't come alive from the way.
Yeah. You're learning an album.
Jerry Hamlin kakulungile.
That's right.
Pura enkulu nsuka ecala khumla nihleli emthatha ya Ketong Thanut Pura enkulu nsuka ecala khumla nihleli emthatha nihlela amajita shaya iganja gcwele babsihleli phaya eplaza kufika lo mlando amanda ngixeba tyanda yathanda kanjani nje samesiyolala jonga neweather yabanda thola naphola nonqiza nihleli nesijimbo imaza siqatha izoli siqatha inkawuza themi yilamu yadlala uthi i-ex yami uphambene I don't fuck with that shit uthi i-ex yami uphambene I don't fuck with that shit mina ngizibekele flat
in and out.
Go, my nigga. Right, yeah.
Kind of a beast.
Hey,
tata.
Yeah.
Wasting no time.
Hey, tata, le extension in Delhi. Technology.
You have a phone?
Exactly when they about to pop, my time is to count, I don't gotta stop. Feeding the flex up and biza iposi, young on the plane and quasi flop, I'm a cheat, I'm a zoja, the twist a la pot. Haters a share, but the school is a sauce. As cool on my son, and my wrist is of frost. I have puff on the green and I cough, changing the flow. It's time to go. They call me a bullet and better if flow. Tetang a beef, inobulambile, so naman's a page look, but nick my wrist is so cold, I put it in the fridge. Now I guess now they know why I'm always so chill. Time is money, gotta put that in money if I wins. Better than you wasting mine. I'm not even done. I'm just stepping my shit and I step to the side. I'm chilling with runs, and my niggas the city, they know they gon' ride, and I'm never gon' stop. If I pull up a studying on commands on mine, ubuze mine. I be chilling, I'm up in Utah. I'm with the Tars, niggas be saying I'm chilling like Tarzan, climbing the charts, and niggas be calling I'm really a star, and I'm never pausing. If I'm continue, I'm never gon' stop it. You know I'm bossing. If you check on my CV, a job, and niggas be trying to come into space, they never gon' make it like me. Hey, even they try to take on the place, they never gon' take it like me. Hey, if they gon' try to be taking these flows, I'm finna go switch it like this. Hey, all of these niggas be acting like hoes, they just be checking the dick. Hey, niggas be wearing some shit. Hey, niggas be saying some shit. Hey, I'm hoping this beat don't ever go stop, cause I'm never saying no shit. Hey, why all these niggas in peace, they be killing these niggas, be staying on rigs. Hey, all of my niggas, they tryna get work, we busy, we stacking the bricks.
Go, say quick Paul. Okay,
my Paul.
Please reintroduce.
Yo, make a flag.
Little one.
Yo, Kim? Young children.
Ingozi thetha bulela thetha.
Nika likoko meleni.
Ungavana chips
Hayi final ngone.
Uselapha.
Ngezithu luzive sorry guys.
No, just say abandon like you have this mega flat slang going on. You need to go hard.
Like that's been
You need a song called Beggar Flat.
Yeah, you must go hard. He's right.
So bangafumana phi ba?
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, guys, but everywhere those banks like.
Kona kuntit.
Ku come through ba?
Come through. Kaili brother, kaili msebenzi.
Wow. Kona LinkedIn.
But yeah, man, ball.
Yeah.
Okay. Kind of a beast.
Kind of a beast.
When
I say fumana phi tayam.
Hey man, everywhere, TikTok, Facebook, kind of a beast. Empezo. Wait.
Empezo. What's Empezo? Unangaphi nokuthi?
Okay, guys. Mama kangena ubra.
Yeah, man. Inangaphi na?
Tsala ifana ni
Yo, uluzu nemoto. It's not nice. Final. I win it. Do it for Umtag.
Unangaphi Kim? Don't worry. This is the last round.
Last round. Finally. Koba.
Naba.
Unangaphi udifo? Yeah, yabo ke ngozi yakhala ke ngo last one ke ngomadoda. You sure?
Umvuleli washo wakhe.
Ufuna yeshu
Sesimazi umdilo wakhe.
Awake kalali lapho shu. Ufuna ibipiti ma. Okay, msethi yeshu. Sesethiwe. Kodwa kulo?
Goroko. Oh, full fazo.
Go. 59.
Hayi 1 hour.
Awininzi. Ngena ke mntana.
Mamelele wazi.
Zizibhithi.
Ngoku sikhabele awile madoda eish.
Sukele indaba.
So like ngizokwazi ukuzibhithi.
Hayi bra, ufuna ibipiti. Choose yena.
Okay, ngeke nokushuza na ehlaqobelo bra.
Cha mandigaleleke okwengcinga izokuxhobisa ingqondo ngengqiqoqolo okwengcinga zengqondo izokubhebhethekisa imicelimngeni iqondani lena ingqondo yavundliswa ngolwazi oluphume emagqabini kakade ngibani na ebenokundinqangisa kumaqonga ndingena ndiphethe umgqala ndombele ezo ibhali ziyexayo kwesam isiphiwo ndixhathise ngelenyengane elitye whatshapha ndingabisalitsiba elikaphungwele litye mandichule ukunyathela masiqaleni ekuqaleni kusaqala icula lami ngokuthi amaqubukazana walali endleleni angalala endleleni boyazi bakunyembelekile kuhamba iminyaka kwaqhuqheka inkwethu kongoleka amehlo kwanqaba nenkansi nehlaba ndabisalibika lona ngumbongo ngxotho njacuzelo ndigxotha ikati ezinzile eziko ngesi sihobe ndikhanyisela okhalipha ebeyokundikhanyela mhlaba ikhanyela bubomi khanithi ndinibalisele ndininabisele ukunikhanyisela ngesi sigabeni ngene kuso ngale njikalanga elikakhensekile inxeba sekela litimbala ndibangele ukuba ndihambe ndicela amalizo kule mizi nditarhuzisa nakubangolobuntu ezirobhotsini ndandingiloba bemjonga bathi le ntwana yenza ngabomi kutheni ngabuyile esikolweni abanye xa begqitha bendifokofa ngongathi ndandizenzile ndandingazenzanga ndandikhutshwa ilakade ilele izinzile eziko kwelakhaya ngalona umbongo ndisusa amazinki engcini ziyamasha yarhuntsulwa inca ngesi sihobe ndityatyusha ikati ezinzile eziko ukuyigxotha ngesi siphiwo elikakhensekile inxeba ndiyaliphulisa ndiyaziphilisa ukuzipha ithemba kuba lona libulali ntonje liyadanisa kodwa andisayi kuganya nditsho sendidana ndisakusebenza kusephandle ndiqabele amaqonga ndisondla ingqondo ngemibongo ndisibese siboneleyo kwabaselula ukuhoboloza kwam kuye kuqhuma nesandi sexolongo belikhalela kude kufitshana kudede ubumnyama kuvele ukukhanya nami nditsho ndizikhankanye kwabo bathi banzinyelwa bubomi ze bazama bezizamela kwazameka qathatha oniphakela lo mphako ngosiphamula imbongo yokuxhuma nokukhala ixolongo bekhala abakhalayo kanti eqhama amakhwane
Yeham. Hayi lembu.
Wow. Yeah. Wogqibela fana sonwabisa.
Yeah. Okay. uTiger nimxelela ukuba ifikile ngonyama and apha ndizophatha Tiger sizuphikisana kaloku apha ndinguyihlo wena komu ungonyana so nawe uyayibona boys usaba usenza ithamba and ndandithilo kuni ukuba ndiyawina kule sama then aqala uhleba nathi uKim uyaphambana ngokuhleli esixoxweni boy kuvume nabadala and akho ntuzoyenza ngoba ngqine namaqala and buye nje kakubi ndizokhoza nje idrama and isixhosa noba kuthwani sizongena kulolu nyaka apha nzango zodlala ndizoqala inyaka I'm killing every beat ngokugcwela amachalanga and apha ndiyapheka boy and futhi andikazuphaka amasabeko elangeni umphokoqo unexhala and zonke zazinzonda zizolala zingatyanga ndiyabona andindazi ninandazi ngegama lona Nkimo my guy andihlali nabaxhaka like unjonge kakuhle boy ucwethe ndiyawuchana I'm doing smooth boy ndidandisa intaba kwakudala ndandithila ukuba ngam nizogcwala khome ndicacise lento ndifana no ayifani kuba ayifani kuma ayifani lento yenu ayispani cause umbalo uthanda ungcali yena ungcali uthanda uali umbalo ufuna ujonga cause ngulow namabali but back on the shit about the skid and as but read it with the things I never thought about angangazi I'm hotter with the things I never caught up in the bars I'm hotter with the things I never caught up in the bars of shit bitch better for my radical level up to the get set the scope up tick let's go again money for my money cup the dead just lap on her but then come little with the soda cake gonna deal it while and then goes hot as I end the task I'm going those shots better with the things and jenga party in the scotch but in the cheetah goku ndimi inkosi let it with the things I never thought of pretty things and I'm sorry to everyone that besita so zenfike cause ngoku sendilapha and mthana andijiki phara andijiki I'm started pause one dick better with the classes that instead of money kick if kumnyama then ndizofaka ijiki cause yami indlela ndizofika noba sithini okay basambe talent I'm hope proud nona yami brand leyo hoping you are with the things I never thought I would have found funi chere a grand like you tell it Betty Bacardi body yada 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 yada. Big pearl with the cars and the birds. A lot of for the pearls. I hopped in the bras. Head up with the press like 10 bars. Like if all your bed, I'm sorry requirements in Nondombi I was meaty. I'm leading from the life that I'm going undefeated. I'm hurt up with the things that isn't one as and do it, okay? Let's go. Yes, I'm going up against like I'm going a pinball. You must run away, but I'm still up and look dog. I'm headed with the 6 but still and gababone, okay, yeah. ZPS, yeah. Ezazazisita so zenfike kule ndawo like ngizosoloko ndiyiphinda le way like ziphe zabrazza zazisita so zenfike kule ndawo yo set amabheka yasikhumbula univimbi feature ta set amabheka bro cela go against amabheka just for once
What amabheka?
Yeah. Go. Okay. Yeah. Ngoku utshaya intsango uhleli elokishini akho kwanto uyenzayo umosha umama endlini akho kwanto uyenzayo umosha umama endlini like umosha nabahlali urobhele epalini damn uphelele estratweni umekwa kulo kona uzazi uba u10 warobha nomama yaza ngicaphukisa ngoku I'm back now ndizokwenzela andifuni iyelekenqe I'm topping njengesteak I'm hopping but this person yandifuna nje bancenge I'm hoping uzonibona like hope is wouldn't care and umntana wako wena ota ugcwele manje for the priest dizomthwaxa nobulele nobuhleli prof in fact kho kwanto uzoyenza cause I'm back ngoku andizange uzodlala ndizongiba ntakhima enzo wami nebodyguards uxhosa unkosi ubithisi bodyguards zam zo skin njengaphoda cutting now andidlali nga
Oh, bro, tama pega wenza ntoni? Tama pega. Usekakene
mapega young blood.
Expected EP disa wena mapeka.
Banta mapega.
Nenye khutmana. Ya bra. Enye bra ya rob oledi. Oh, yabo. Bra ya rob oledi
yapha. Wo.
Yapha bra ya rob oledi yapha eMthatha. Yabo. So after rob oledi, yabo. Eqaba yochoma ngayo lo wepha. Basuka sencilile ngoku eqhoma ngayo pha endlini yabo safuna ukujidene lazuzu yabo so akhona noyenza because umdala mos so imba me1 delali is enough phinde unozana
zeminyaka bayabuza
yabo so naqona okay years will come bra like ndifungele la bra angaqoli bra
awayikhabi
angekhabi ingabe na amandla ndabona phethe nina nje bra
hayibo
hayi bra hayi kodwa bra ya ilo way and la bra incadi yabo kona nibethele kubona masiqabethi real estratweni yabo ya namthanami sibusingile ngomele sibe siphephana nezo camera ngo no
so darling
like la bra yandizona like from undazi yandizona ndathi okay Grootman akho ngxaki akho way
ndana kwayo mntwana
ya namthwaka mna kwayo
revenge
uyathwaka wena kwethini wena
namthwaka mna
kwayo
noba ngathini ngobra cause uncle uphumile etrongweni ngoku so ba late
okay boy okay
uyathanda nokuthwaxa kwethini
yebo ifunde kuwe lena
hayi boy
ulosha wena bra bad influence
ayikho grand wele like focus emculweni nje
bra ukhethile ngoku uyasikhuba ngokulakla hayibo bra ukhethile ngoku uyasikhuba
so kuwine intwana yo
ayiphambele lepo
yo abona mpepo yakho ngizamile
otherwise shout out to you
wo yo I
congrats my G you're really dope bro talented keep going
umuntu bebuza baye chat ba uya freestyle like freestyle le
it sounds like a freestyle bro
yiyo freestyle okay Lewis handles
up the socials
exam ulendoza uTikTok ngospamula imbongo kanye lozana neThompson ya nabo
uyozana naba usibanzela camera za
uzenani then ya nabo Facebook kanifuna kakhulu
anivanga tu nendeza mnjiza
uzenani neThompson Facebook then mase kulendoza uTikTok
why am I different
kaloli nyelela qonga spamula imbongo
everywhere spamula imbongo
spamula
uzolchinja ubra starting from home sizomfumana as spamula imbongo
kumaneka nje ngaye xa useje
wena ungiba
Kimo Savage kusizonke platforms like TikTok, Kimo Savage, Instagram, Kimo Savage.
Mama kuyayazi Kimo Savage.
Iwine ina 19 no.
Yayazi mama Kimo Savage.
Yeah.
19 yacisha kwami.
If I'm like ena most viral video yami ndayenza no late. Like ngakuni support la way as a TV.
Shout out to Mamzo. Oh, lo rocha mapeka.
Yeah, again ngasikhwelela.
She told me she think away.